So today is, I believe it's the 23rd of February. We're doing some more soil sampling. And I went ahead to find the spot. Van and the guys are following along and digging the holes.
About at your center point?
Yep. And we're going to start digging. So the ground changes quite a bit. We were basically of the 100-acre field. We are probably in the southeast corner, so it'll be easy to clear what's out here. Just little trees and shrubs. All right, we're back on the land that was surveyed. I went in a little ways, so you can almost use this as a center point, so you could almost start there if you wanted. So this is the corner that they've cleared so far. And we're getting a bulldozer, payloader, some stuff in here soon to get working on this. So pickup's kind of that way. Little breeze today, which is good.
So we are on our second day of soil sampling. This is Wednesday, I think it's the 23rd?
Yes.
23rd of February, 2022. We're out on our first 100 acres of land that's going to get cleared. Ground is a little bit softer. Sampling is going much better today. I'm going to stand down in a hole where a tree has been pushed out just to be able to look down to see what's down below. It's about a 1.5 foot hole and about a foot, a little bit more. It's anywhere from a pea-size iron chunk, for no better term, up to size of a racquetball. So it starts about where I am standing down here. Just kind of giving you a reference of how far down we're working with. No, it's not 6 feet of clay soil in Dodge County, but we can grow some tremendous crops if we get timely rain.
Yep. All right, we're still sampling, but this is our last sampling area. We're taking about 4 holes, mixing dirt in, and they'll end up in these little sample bags. That's what we've done so far today. We did 9 different spots. We did 8 yesterday. So we got this 100 acres sampled.
So we just finished, this is Wednesday, the 23rd of February, 2022. We finished taking the samples out of the first 100 acres. We've taken some paired samples, so we can send them to 2 different laboratories. And so not all of them, I think there's about 5 out of the 17 samples that we took. There's doubles. What I wanted to do here is pour a little bit of water on this soil, run it through my fingers, just see what it feels like. There's a real complicated, not a complicated, but there's a process that you make it into a little bit of a strip about that long and you roll it out in your finger, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to get a rough idea what it looks like. The more clay that is in the soil, the more it will stick to the ridges between your fingernail or between your fingerprints. As you can see, this kind of comes off. So we know it's not clay. And also, when I pour it on there, we can see how fast the water goes down in the soil. It's called percolation. Doesn't go very far in because the soil is so dry. It's way dry. I know you've seen this probably, or heard me say it on the video, but I've been waiting 2 years to get here. I thank Andy for asking me to be a part of this. Kathy and Jim Sullivan, thank you very much. This is cool. Probably the only better highlight of my life was when my son was born. This is cool. Have a great day.
Yep. Or when you got married, Van.
Oh, sorry about that. Oh, well, yeah, I got to include my wife in there. I'm not sure. It's 1, 2, 3. We'll just kind of lump them all together. Number 1.
Yep.
Yeah, good.